What is possible? The possibilities are endless for students who know all these things. They can go on to study at the most prestigious universities, pursue their dream careers, and make a real difference in the world. They may even become experts in their field, sharing their knowledge with others and helping to advance human knowledge. Conclusion: when students know all these things, it can have a profound impact on their lives. They feel confident, capable, and empowered, knowing that they have a strong foundation of knowledge. It can also open up new possibilities for them, as they are now able to explore more complex and challenging topics. They have the potential to achieve great things. In short, students who know all these things are well equipped to succeed in today's world. They are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers. Do you want your child to know these facts, so that they can excel in A-level chemistry and go on to secure admission into prestigious university? Contact Brashan Chemistry today. We will be with your child until they complete their final exams.